This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Solitaire. First, let's set up the game. You'll use a standard deck of 52 cards. 7 tableau piles are dealt, with the top card of each pile face up. The first pile has 1 card, the second has 2, and so on, up to 7 cards in the 7th pile. The remaining 24 cards form the stock pile, which you'll draw from later. Your ultimate goal is to move all cards to the 4 foundation piles, sorted by suit and rank. Now, let's talk about moving cards within the tableau. You can build down in descending order, always alternating colors. For example, a red 5 can be placed on a black 6. You can move a single card or an entire sequence of cards as one unit. If you create an empty column in the tableau, only a king, or a sequence of cards starting with a king, can be moved into that open space. This strategic move is crucial for uncovering hidden cards. When you run out of moves in the tableau, turn to your stock pile. You typically draw 3 cards at a time, placing them face up onto the waste pile. Only the top card of the waste pile is available for play, either to the tableau or directly to the foundation piles. The 4 foundation piles are where you ultimately want all your cards to go. Each foundation must be built up by suit, starting with an ace, then a 2, and so on, all the way up to a king. The ultimate goal of Solitaire is to successfully move all 52 cards from the tableau and stock to the 4 foundation piles. Each foundation pile will then contain 13 cards of a single suit, perfectly ordered from ace to king. Winning requires careful planning and strategic thinking. Always try to expose face-down cards in the tableau and create empty columns to maneuver kings. With practice, you'll develop a keen eye for the best moves and increase your chances of victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.